Hi everyone. A while ago we looked at a model bike that looks like a Scott Spark of a pre-2020 model. Today we have another model here. And to me it looks like the Scott Spark RC900 comp of the 2020 model. Now I think the real bike is carbon. This one is made of alloy. The drivetrain looks like a 1x12. And it can pedal. Okay, my fingers aren't quite used to pedaling, cycling. I think it still needs a lot of running in to do. Okay, there we go. Full suspension, and this model suspension also work. Let's look at the front suspension. But it works. The rear suspension, but it really shows off. Okay, the brake levers can't move, but it looks very realistic. And there's a bike stand, of course, as well. So feel free to comment. What do you think? Is this a model of the Scott Spark RC900 comp? Or perhaps another bike? And do you think the color is true? Or colors? By the way, there is not much free play on the steering and on the wheels themselves. Thanks for watching.